Hello students, today I want to discuss the syllabus, the reduced syllabus for the year 2021. So earlier we had 8 units in the syllabus and this time we have 7 units. So there is one unit which has been left out from the syllabus, and that is encapsulation. So this unit, encapsulation unit, is not there for the year 2021. So therefore we have only 7 units this time in computer applications, and in unit 1, that is revision of class 9 syllabus, there is no change in this. We have to study all the chapters of class 9 excluding the last chapter, computing and ethics, that is not there. Then unit 2, class as the basis of all computation, there is no change in this unit. In unit 3 also, user defined methods, there is no change. Unit 4, constructors, there is no change. Unit 5, library classes, so here also we don't have any change. In the arrays chapter we do have a few changes. So from the arrays chapter, double dimensional array is excluded. We don't need to study double dimensional array. And from the sorting techniques, selection sort is not there, and from the searching techniques, binary search is not there, and double dimensional array is completely excluded. So from the string handling chapter, we don't need to study the implementation of the methods of string class. We don't need to study string arrays. So earlier bubble sort and selection sort implemented on string arrays was there, but this time round it's not there. This time it's very simple. We just need to study the syntax, the purpose of the functions, and some working examples. So probably there will be just 2-mark questions in section A from this chapter, and there will be no full-fledged programs. So that's it, student. Thank you.